And currently I have 3 partitions in my MOLAP cube, and I can decide to combine partitions by merging them together. I can either combine the 2005 to 2006 and 2007 to merge 2 partitions, or I could combine all 3 together into a single partition. But the process is the same. I can come into Management Studio and I can right-click on a partition and select Merge Partitions. And like many other things here in Analysis Services, most actions are scriptable, so I can create an XMLA script and automate this process. But notice that the partition that I have selected, the target partition, displays at the top, and then the other partitions available in the same measure group appear below, where I can use a checkbox to select them. So I'm just going to combine 2005 with the 2006-2007 partition and click OK. Notice that we get an error, and that's because each of our partitions has a calendar year slice, and if we're merging them together, there's a check between what data is in that partition versus the calendar slice setting, and there's a conflict there. We need to change the slice definition before we do the merge. The next problem that we encounter when we try to do the merge is after changing the slice, we're going to have to reprocess that partition and then at last we can successfully complete the merge. When we refresh, we see that the partition that we merged no longer exists. Our reseller sales amount is correct. And all of our data appears correctly by year. So the merge does not require a subsequent processing in order for our cube to be correct.